Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel, and today's video is a very special one because we're going back to my passion, which is lipsticks. We are going to be swatching 8 of these major matte lipsticks by Beauty Bay. Sorry, I've just filmed with Beauty Bay. W7. These retail for £4.95. They had free shipping, and I also had a 10% code, I'd like to say. So for what should have been probably like £45, I probably got for 33. So 8 lipsticks, £33. That is incredible. That's nearly £4 a lipstick. So I'm super excited to get those on my lips. I do actually own 2 Huda Beauty. These are matte lipsticks too, so I don't know if they're duping these actual lipsticks or if it's the powder matte ones or what, but those are called W7 major matte lipsticks and these are called Huda Beauty matte lipsticks. So I could actually try and compare the formula. I've never put those on my lips, so excited. So yeah, the first shade we have here is Exposed. This is definitely your lighter nude shade. Oh, it's very creamy. And they've all actually got the W7 on the lid, which is incredible. And the shade names are on the bottom, just like Huda Beauty, but they've got more of a colour, whereas Huda Beauty is just like a black sticker. This is what Exposed looks like on the lips. It's definitely a concealer lip shade for me. I definitely think this would need a nice little lip liner with it. Very creamy to apply. It's drying down a little bit matte, which is nice. I like the shade. I just do think I need a darker lip liner with this, or I shouldn't have had a pink bright lipstick on before. But the next shade we have here is called Original. I think this might be a little bit... Oh no, that was lighter. So Original is on this side. It's definitely lighter. I thought it would be darker. That is going to be fun for me to swatch. Okay, this is definitely way too light for me. Way too light. It's got more of a peachier undertone to it than it does brown, whereas Exposed is more brown and Original is more peachier. This will definitely look nice on really pale skin tones as like a nice nude. But for me, it is way too pale for me. But I must admit, this is such a nice creamy formula, but once it dries down, your lips are still movable, which I love that in a lipstick. Okay, so the next shade we have is the shade Modest. It is a nice true pink shade, very springtime pink. This shade here in Modest is like a My Lips But Better shade. It is really nice. I like this shade. Went on so nicely. They are drying down matte, but like not super matte. They're creamy still. I do like this. I would wear this with or without a liner. I must admit I would. Okay, the next shade we have here is Freedom. I just love how shiny the lipsticks are. And that is what the actual bullet on the inside looks like, even like the ombre. This shade is definitely lighter than the last one. What was the last one? Modest, wasn't it? Yeah. So Freedom is lighter than Modest, I must admit. It's a nice spring pink, definitely springtime. I would wear this with like a nice lip liner, dark pink Soar lip liner. I think that would go really well. It's a nice colour, but it's definitely like a springtime shade. Like I would not be wearing this until we hit March, and I'm so excited for March. We're so close to it. I do like this, but I wouldn't wear this over autumn or winter. The next shade we have here is Bond Girl. Now we're getting proper into the pinks. Look at this. This shade Bond Girl is really nice. We're definitely getting more into the spring summer type shades. It's bright. It's nearly neon, just not that close to neon. It is a really like nice shade. I proper love this shade. It would really go well with like a neutral eye, or just literally, you know, that nice summer glow where you have barely any makeup on, you've got like eyelashes on and this bold lipstick. That's the one, I'm telling you. That is how you should wear this lipstick. Wow. The next shade we have here is Heartache. We are getting into those bright pinks, I'm telling you. Well, that is the brightest pinks because I think that's the last of the pink, and then we go into a different kind of shade. This shade Heartache is super bright, like proper bright. I'm telling you, I cannot believe how bright this lipstick is. Like, you can see this from outer space. I'm telling you, I definitely would wear this in summer, not spring, summer. It is neon, it is bright, it is boom in your face. I like this shade. It's definitely not a me shade, but I think it complements the eye look a little bit as well. I would need more pink blush on, but this is such a nice formula. It's not, they're not drying. I've literally swatched 6 shades and my lips are alive. I can't believe it. I'm really loving it. I just don't think the colour here on this lipstick actually represents the colour in the bullet, but it doesn't matter because they are absolutely stunning. And by the way, they don't have that magnetic thing that Huda Beauty do have. And the next shade we have is House Red. Oh, now that looks more orange in the tube, but once you swatch it, it is definitely a red. This shade House Red is stunning. I love it. Not as dark as a red I would love to wear, but I definitely love it, and I would pull this out in autumn as it's getting to winter. I think I would pull this shade out. It's really lovely. And we've got one last shade to swatch, and it is called Entourage, and that is more of a pinkier red. This is how my lips look post lipstick. And this is the last shade, Entourage. Now, I really don't think that any of the shades I have actually dupe these Huda. So this is First Kiss on the end here. As you can see, nothing here dupes that colour. And then the other shade I have is Board Meeting. Again, a lighter brown, but none of those browns actually dupe it. I don't think they're an actual dupe by colour, by formula, anything like that, because you can definitely tell the formula is much creamier on these two. So I'm not going to actually swatch them, I'm sorry, like on my lips. My lips feel a bit, you know, red raw at the moment. But I would say that the formula is really nice, and I would wear these. Like $4.95 for a lipstick. Defo go and get one of these. The shades are adorable. You've got some spring, summer, winter shades, autumn shades. You've got shades all year round. We just need a little bit more nudes in there. But I do love these, and I hope you love this video. So please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.